Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the coolest, craziest, and most innovative gadgets and gizmos you absolutely need to see in 2024. Whether you're a tech geek or just love new gadgets, we've got something for you. So, sit tight and let's get into it. First up, we have the XYZ smart glasses. These aren't just your regular smart glasses, they're a total game changer. With a sleek design and lightweight frame, the XYZ smart glasses feature a full augmented reality interface right in front of your eyes. From navigation to instant translations and even integrated social media notifications, it's like having a virtual assistant on your face. Plus, they've got a battery life that can last up to 48 hours on a single charge. So, if you've ever wanted to experience the future of wearables, these are definitely for you. Next on the list is something for all the content creators and vloggers out there, the Capture 360 camera. This little device is perfect for capturing your entire environment in stunning 8K resolution. It's small, portable, and easy to mount anywhere, your bike, your car, or even your drone. What's really amazing is its ability to create immersive, fully interactive VR videos. And if you're not into 360 content, don't worry, it still functions as a high-end regular camera with impressive stabilization. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one if you're serious about capturing the world around you. Now, let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize your home, the NeoClean Robotic Vacuum 4.0. Yeah, I know robotic vacuums aren't new, but this one takes things to a whole new level. It uses AI to map your house in real time and can adapt to changes in your layout instantly. The NeoClean 4.0 can even recognize objects like shoes or toys and avoid them, unlike its predecessors that always got stuck. But here's the best part, it comes with a self-cleaning mop attachment. Yup, it vacuums and mops your floors, all while avoiding obstacles. It's literally the hands-free cleaning solution we've all been waiting for. For those who love smart home tech, you've got to check out the Aura Sleep Monitor. This device tracks not just your sleep patterns but also your room's temperature, air quality, and even noise levels to help you optimize your sleep. It syncs with your smartphone to give you a full breakdown of your sleep cycle, and it even gives recommendations on how to improve your rest. The Aura Sleep Monitor is perfect for anyone looking to improve their health and well-being through better sleep habits. And finally, for all the gamers out there, the Phoenix Gaming Chair 2024 edition is a must-see. It's packed with tech, built-in surround sound speakers, RGB lighting that syncs with your game, and full body vibration feedback. But the real kicker is its posture correction system. It automatically adjusts your posture during long gaming sessions to help prevent back pain. Comfortable, immersive, and smart, this is the ultimate gaming chair you've been waiting for. And there you have it. Those are some of the hottest gadgets and gizmos you need to see in 2024. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see